power plants. So listen, go have dinner, and I'm looking for my wife to come home here shortly and feed me up. So 73, John, 73. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's get to work. Well, I've got a new screen protector here, and stick it in front of the camera. This is what I got, and I looked on YouTube, didn't see any videos on how to install it, so I'm going to do a video. It was only $9.95, and it says protection for lifetime. Nanomatrix UHD, the world's most advanced screen protection. And you can see it right there. This is specifically made for the Icom 7610. And it's got instructions on the back, and it says use a microfiber cloth to thoroughly clean your device's screens. Anything left on the screen will show up after film. And then use the dust removal tape to remove any remaining lint and dust. And then we start the installation process. So I'm going to clean it. I've got this lens wipe, and I'm just going to use it. Okay, so I powered it off, and you can see it's pretty clean. Now I'm going to take this, open it up, and we'll see what we got. Wow. So there's part of it. Yeah, looks like they got a cloth in there. And what's this? Oh, they've got their little advertising, I guess. Oh, dust removal sticker. There you go. So, I got the cloth in here, and I used that pad that I had, but it says use microfiber cloth to thoroughly clean. I cleaned it, and use the dust removal tape. I don't think there's anything on there, but I'm going to use the dust removal tape. I'll save this. I had the LCD replaced on that 7610 not too long ago, a few months ago, so it is in fine shape anyway. Just peel that off. And you know, I don't see any dust on it. Let's try a light. And there might be something right down there. Oops, I shouldn't have let that touch the table. Okay, I'd say it's looking pretty good. Don't want to get my greasy fingers on there. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Yes, I knocked the camera off. I think that's pretty good. One more time, yeah. See some stuff up on the plastic, but But I think that's good, so I'm gonna go with it there. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it there. Okay. So we have that. And now it says, oh boy, what does it say? Peel and fold the protective liner backward about an inch away. Make sure the adhesive side faces down and does not touch your fingers. Align the exposed section with the edge so the LCD screen about 1 millimeter away. Smooth nanometrics with application squeegee. Oh, this is a squeegee. It wasn't just advertising. That's a squeegee. Okay, well they're pretty good. Yeah, you probably want to do this with clean hands or gloves. You know, I do have some gloves. I'm going to go right to left, I think. Just about an inch. It says, and I got a little piece of dust on it. And I got it off. Okay, here's the tricky part. I'm going to turn the light on. Don't have the squeegee. Here's the squeegee. It's easy to pull back off once you put it on there. Boy, you just gotta, just gotta get it lined up right. Boy. Well, I think it's just a little bit off. Just a millimeter. So I'll just do it that way. Do it that way. And I see a little bit right in here. Where'd that come from? I wonder, is that on the screen protector? Yeah, it might be. Yeah, I think that's on the outside, thank goodness. Got the little squeegee. Let's get, I can see a little bubble down here. It's not a bubble. But anyway, that's pretty doggone good. I think if I'd have messed it up. So there you go, and I think that does help. I can see, I can see in the camera now a little bit down here. I think that's just me. On the outside, I touched it with my fingers. So let's see what it looks like here. Voila. And that's the way I normally have it, and yeah, it does take out my reflection some. You can still see me in the background a little bit. You can see me moving around a little, but I think that's much better. Much better. Let's see. Let's see. Hold that down and oh yeah, 14. Hold this down. Yep, takes that away. Hold that down again. All right. That works. Change frequency. All right, it all works. Well, that does it. $9.95. I guess that's not bad. So now when I do my video streaming, you won't see so much reflection in the 7300. Okay, well, thanks for watching. And if you're wondering what this is called the Web SDR Helper. My Web SDR Helper. And there'll be more about this coming up in some videos. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Also tell your friends. 73, good DX.
Yeah, 79, WLF, 78 DUI.